Alright, guys, we are just arriving here in Subic, and we are now down on the beach side around, what's the hotel here, Clark? Subic Park Hotel. And we're gonna go down to, I believe it's here,
Yeah, that was Subic Park.
Civic Park, right? And then we're gonna go up here next turn and go down to the Lighthouse Marina Resort.
Yeah.
Uh, well, I'm sure to find some parking down there.
I'm sure we can find.
I like this area. Nice to stroll around. Today is a beautiful day, but extremely hot. All right, so let's see. All right, I think we can park here. Let's see.
Yeah, the
Yeah,
corner.
here comes the security guard. We're not even guests here, so they're very friendly.
Yeah, even if you're not a guest on that hotel, you are allowed to do picture on.
Yeah, and the lighthouse get a little PR, so I'm sure they're okay with.
Yeah, I think there is a party inside.
All right, yeah. So let's go to the beach. Hi everybody. So yesterday, like I said before, we decided to take a little ride this weekend again and go around and go about to different places. We had one appointment in Lima yesterday morning, and the video should be out by now, so you can find it in our video history, and we have a link up in the information window for you. But anyway, we decided to take a ride in Bataan and cross the center of Bataan, right around Mount Samat, and go over into Morong. And we didn't have intention to stay there, but we stopped and see our friends and ended up staying overnight. So now, anyway, we have taken a little ride around here. And right now we're in Subic in front of the Lighthouse Marina, and we're just going to take a little stroll. Beautiful day, mountains in the background, and it's beautiful. We just came through some of that mountain range you can see in the back there. It's beautiful, and we're going to give you a little bit tour of Subic Bay, just a few minutes around the beach here.
Yeah.
Let's go.
All right. Here's the lighthouse. I'm doing some B-roll here. I'm the one who holding the gimbal right now. Shell is in the other side, doing also some B-roll on the beach. So it's nice weather today. The beach is nicer now. Mountain, but a little bit windy. So I'm going to Shell right now. I will see what he can, what or did he take a picture. It's been, I think it's 3 years or 4 years we've been not here in Subic. The last time we've been here is Shell birthday. Yeah. There's an airplane. He's trying to capture the airplane.
All right, so let's take a little stroll around here. We don't come down to Subic Bay very often.
When is the last time we came here?
Oh my gosh, 3 years ago, maybe.
4 years, 3 years.
But it's a really beautiful place. However, I'm not too much favorite of the beaches here in Subic due to the fact it's a big international harbor. You got a bunch of ships coming in and out, and the water and the beaches actually get a little dirty, in my opinion. But anyway, here you go. That is the Lighthouse Marina Resort there, right at the end of the beach strip, I call it, before you get up on the hill up there. Isn't that up there where they also have a memorial funeral place on the hills there? Wasn't that up there? Yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah. So let's just walk to the water a little bit. Yeah, sit in the shade. But let's walk in the beach a little bit. Or is it too hot? My wife says it's too hot today. It is actually really, really hot. To me, it looks like later in the afternoon we might head in for some rain, which we also did yesterday afternoon, and that's partially why we decided to stay too. It was raining really heavy last night, but it's a nice place to stay. So yeah, so anyway, out here it's pretty nice. I don't know much about Subic. All I know is that the military comes in here, and over there, if you look in the background, you can see like a shipyard or whatever it is, and behind there you can clearly see the mountain range. I don't know how the camera is a little haze today, and I don't know how the camera is picking it up, but we can surely try and see what happens. All right, guys. 4 years ago, Janice and I went to Subic Safari, so we figured we add this to this video. We have another video with it, but we'll add it in. We had a pretty fun day.
Yeah.
And walking around, playing with the birds like we do here. Pretty little birds.
Yeah, we celebrate on Subic Safari.
Yeah, that was my
Your birthday.
62nd.
Yeah,
I think it was
61 or 60.
61. You're right. You're right. I don't want to make myself older than I am. But here's a photo, and there you go. There you get the one for the PG. And then we got to get into the Tiger Park,
Yeah.
which was pretty fun. You get to see these majestic animals up close, and it was a fun trip.
Yeah, yeah, I remember. We're feeding the
Yeah,
tigers inside
we
the
were
cage.
feeding the tiger. Actually, we were not, but the park employees were feeding them, and let us take picture and all kinds of things. But there are pretty magnificent animals. But anyway, that's the end of our Subic Safari and beach walk. And we'll see you all again
On the next video.
in the next video. Bye bye.